Number 13 to 16. Solve each equation by completing the square. Okay, we're going to do the same thing we did on 11 and 12, but this time we're actually going to solve them. So on this one, we're going to move the 5 across. We'll get x squared plus 2x equals 5. Then over here to the side, we're going to do this. We're going to divide by 2, get 1, and square that and get 1. So we're going to add 1 to both sides, aren't we? This will factor to x plus 1 squared equals 6. Then you're going to get the square root of both sides, aren't you? The square root of this would be x plus 1, and we cannot get the square root of 6, can we? And this is going to be plus or minus 2, right? Now then we're going to move the 1 across. We'll get x equal negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 6. Okay, right here, let's move the 12 across. We're going to get a squared minus 8a equals 12, negative 12, sorry about that. We'll take our negative 8, divide it by 2, get negative 4, square that, and get 16, right? So we're going to add 16 to both sides. This factors to a minus 4 squared, doesn't it? Equals negative 12 plus 16 is 4 in it. Get the square root of both sides. We'll get a minus 4 equals to positive or negative 2. Now you're going to move the 4 across. A equals 4 plus or minus 2. So a would be 4 plus 2 is 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 6. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 6 and negative 2 are your two roots, aren't they? Number 15, this is a blast. Move over the 21. You'll get x squared minus 4x equals 21. You'll take this, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and you'll square it and get 4. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. Draw your parentheses. Equals 21. Okay, this is going to end up being x minus 2 squared, and I should have done this one. X minus 2 squared equals 21. Remember, when you divide by 2, that number is going to go here in it. Take the square root of both sides. You'll get x minus 2 equals the plus or minus square root of 21. And then you're going to move the 2 across, right? So you'll get x equals to 2 plus or minus the square root of 21. And one more. It's a shame. This is coming to an end. It's so much fun. Move the 3 over. B squared minus 6b equals 3. We're going to divide by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3 squared, and we get 9. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. This is going to factor to b minus 3 squared equals 12. Take the square root of both sides. You'll get b minus 3 equals the square root of 12 plus or minus. And then you're going to move the 3 over, right? So b would equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 12.